Hey guys, Glitch Monsters here, and quick unboxing video. I just got a USB iPod cable. It only costed me $5. Yeah. So let's do it. Sorry.
Yeah, that was a good one. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Michigan Football 16 behind the camera, and I just witnessed that. Maybe you want to cut another side open.
No thanks.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You almost hit your poor dog.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
Yeah, he should be sorry about that. Oh, here. While he's doing that, I'll show you the little card. That's what it is. This is just a little unboxing because he wanted to unbox something. So I was like, open this on YouTube. Looks like he's got it out.
Here it is. Pretty long. Comes with this.
See, I don't know where he bought this for $5, but they usually cost like $20 at the retail stores. It's a rip-off kind of. Even those little adapters, $20 for those little adapters, if you know what I'm talking about. The wall chargers.
Okay, here it is.
So,
I'm gonna go charge my iPod. Okay, guys. So, I don't know. Just quick unboxing video. So, rate, comment, subscribe, check out my wall, and I'll see you guys later.